Navigating the world of introductions, cultural differences at play. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're delving deep into the rich world of introductions across various cultures. Remember, understanding how to introduce yourself appropriately can set the tone for a fruitful interaction. Knowing cultural variations is the key to making the right first impression. Let's dive in. In many Western countries, a handshake is a common way to greet someone during an introduction. The handshake is firm, but not too strong, and is often accompanied by direct eye contact. Following the handshake, it's common to engage in small talk. Topics like the weather, sports, or recent news events are generally safe. Heading east, in countries like Japan, South Korea, and China, a bow can be a significant part of the introduction process. The depth and duration of the bow can convey respect and status. It's also essential to be mindful of titles. Addressing someone by their last name followed by a title, like Mr. or Ms., can show respect. Especially in a business context, it's crucial to get this right. In many Middle Eastern cultures, introductions might involve close contact, such as a hug or cheek kissing, but generally among individuals of the same gender. It's essential to be cautious with physical contact between different genders, especially if you're unfamiliar with the cultural norms. Also, be prepared to experience hospitality like being offered tea or coffee, which is a significant part of their welcoming nature. Venturing to Latin America, introductions are characterized by warmth and often involve physical closeness. It's common to see cheek kissing, especially among women or between a man and a woman. It's essential to be genuine, as authenticity is highly valued. Moreover, using titles like Señor or Señora can be a polite way to address elders or strangers. Africa, with its vast diversity, has numerous introduction customs. In some cultures, greetings might involve a series of hand claps or snaps. Showing respect for elders is paramount, and in many cultures, a younger person would greet an elder first. Always prioritize listening and observing when you're unfamiliar with the specific norms of a region. Navigating the world's many introduction customs can seem daunting. However, the key is to approach each interaction with respect and openness. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes as long as you're genuinely trying and learning. We hope this video gives you a starting point in understanding the beautiful mosaic of introduction customs across the globe. Until next time, happy exploring!